on song. He's going to punish you. Shah Langefeld again, not getting it up far enough, missing that Yorker length. So second six in the over.
Oh yes! Oh yes! What a strike! A slower delivery, picked by Abdul Razak and deposited at the park.
20 off the over so far. Terrific batting.
From 19. That's where you want to be. Got a hit. It's done so. Fantastic work. That's it. No ball. No ball. There'll be a free hit. Oh, it's got to run back. It's got to run back. Oh, ball. Free hit. Oh, picks it up. What a shot. Not too far short of being six. It's gone for... That's why he wants to be on strike and he wants to hit some boundaries and ensure that Pakistan get home. Oh, six off the first ball throw. Oh my word. Goodness me. Oh, goodness me. He smoked that right onto the embankment. Fantastic shot for six. He's on to nine. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Oh, deep backward square, fine leg. Oh, it's a big appeal from behind. AB de Villiers has gone up, but a blatant appeal from Helby Morkel. He's convinced AB de Villiers. They were sad a bit earlier. Felt that Pakistan had capitulated again. Different